Nadula hair. Why do y'all do this? Who the Sorry, y'all.
Because you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. We're here with another one from Nadula Hair. I am so excited to be getting into this Nadula Hair lace frontal wig. It's a jerry curl texture. It's a 13x4 lace frontal, okay? This hair is absolutely positively stunning. She has two combs in the front, okay? One in the back, adjustable straps, Wakanda forever. Had to bend down for y'all to see it, okay? Again, this is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. Now, I have this unit in 24 inches, and she's going for just about $302 on Nadula Hair, on Nadula.com. Nadula.com. So, I'm absolutely positively obsessed with this unit. I knew that I wanted to do something different with her. I've been receiving quite a bit of curly hair units, and I was like, you know what? I like to give Nadula the respect they deserve. You understand what I'm saying? So I came on through and decided I could do a quick, easy, sexy, cute style just by braiding the front. And then we get a good idea of what that 13x4 lace frontal is providing, okay? She's giving very much sugar daddy, right? So this unit, the texture of the hair was fantastic, okay? I'm just using a little bit of warm water and conditioner to get this unit all the way together. I think one of the things that really helped me just style this unit down was making sure that I clipped all the hair. This is a lot of hair. It's 150% density, but it is quite a bit of hair. So I'm just going on through and breaking this off into sections where I'm going to actually braid the hair down and what's going to be left out. So I'm just making sure it's super clean so we can get a seamless, nice, and sexy braid. So again, I'm going to take my Eco Styler gel after I clip off all my sections, and I'm going to get right into this unit. As I style this unit down, I have not experienced any tangling or any shedding. This genuinely is a fantastic unit. The hair is absolutely stunning. I know that you guys are a little bit taken aback by the price tag, but I'm letting you know. One, we have a special code in the description for you to get some coins off. And two, this one is worth it. Because what I've realized, and I ended up wearing her all weekend in Palm Springs in like 100-degree weather, okay? Swimming in the pool, getting out of the pool, everything. And mother held up no problem. This unit is absolutely positively stunning. And I know I say that and you guys are like, girl, they all can't be stunning. Nadula Hair has a standard of excellence when it comes to the hair that they provide that I really, truly enjoy, okay? So I'm just going to go on ahead and get into this next braid and shut my mouth. my microphone in right now. I don't know where it's at, so sorry for the audio. That's number one. Number two, bust up on this beat. Put some respect on my hands. Go ahead, clap in the back. I'm listening. Okay, that's number one. Number two, did I not do the shit out this hair? I was nervous there for a second, because it was getting a little bit bigger than I wanted it to get. But this is stunning. Y'all know I think I'm a Nadula. That's my girlfriend in my head. I'm obsessed. I really, this is Nadula hair again, guys. I really love this hair. I love this scalp. I mean, look at that. Like, love. Okay, I'm really, really into how this is looking right now. She's absolutely stunning. Look how big and sexy she is. And we just went on through and braided her down with our Eco Styler gel. Okay, I lost my part in there somewhere though, guys. She a little bit more visible on the side. We just went in there with our Eco Styler gel, braided her on down, and she came all the way through. I'm super happy with how this turned out. She took almost absolutely nothing. And then we did the cute little baby hairs. That's like, are they baby hairs? Maybe, maybe not. How y'all feeling about this? We did this. Y'all. We are growing and glowing. I hope you are feeling this one just as much as I am. I'm really happy with how this came out. Like, very, 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 very happy. Very. Okay? Like, very. And I'm happy with my face. That's me being beat. Let me tell you, I don't know if you guys have or have not already. Bust down, subscribe to this channel. We are growing and glowing. I have so much fun stuff coming for you guys. I hope you guys are getting into the brand new content, things I'm trying out. I love this hair. Nadula hair. Why do y'all do this? Who the bitch? Sorry, y'all. I can't take it. I cannot take this. I cannot take this hair. So yeah, that's life. I'm obsessed. Let me know what you guys think. She is so versatile. This is just a style I chose to do. You can throw her back in a little ponytail or whatever the case may be. But since I'm doing quite a bit of these like really extra curly water wave units, I wanted to make sure that I gave different styles. So I'm kind of into this braided look, y'all. Like, severely so. I'm like really into this. Even like this. Like, girl, good night. That's how you coming through? All right, y'all can't tell me nothing. I'm gonna get up out of here. I really am a kitchen beautician, y'all. It's too much. Buzz down. Let me tell me what you think. Okay, she is serving up love, sex, and magic, as am I. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye. Perfect.